Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And in this video, we're going to be going on a little cruise in the 650. We got bodied by some weather yesterday, but people are popping out today. It's already some cars right here. I know for a fact that dude in that Porsche is doing the same thing I am. Waiting for these guys to pull up this little checkpoint, and then we're about to head out. Car's dirty, but it's all good. People should be popping up very, very shortly. So when they do, we'll start the vlog up again. If you guys enjoy these cruises, make sure you guys drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. I'm gonna chill in the car where it's warm. And when people start to pull up, like I said, I know this fella's waiting, this fella's probably waiting, that C5 is probably ahead of the pack. We'll see.
A few moments later.
We made it to the first checkpoint. Bunch of cars. We're gonna see what pulls up. I think he said to start to take off. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, we're about to hit this tunnel. Hopefully my GoPro angle is good. For some reason it's not wanting to connect to the phones. I can see, but hopefully it's good. Being smart because it is a little wet. I was like, man, don't go too crazy in this tunnel to where you can't control your car. I hope my GoPro angle is good, man. Ooh, nice little pop. This don't seem right. Man, they're cutting up like crazy up there. Alright, so somebody somebody went the wrong way, and it was not me. This is kind of why I don't like cruises, because somebody always goes the wrong way, and it just screws everything up. People get separated. It is what it is. So there's another checkpoint. We're gonna have to go up there. Kind of annoying because, well, we kind of missed like the two, I guess, biggest parts of the cruise. It still could be decent, but we'll see. We'll see. I just don't know how people just go the wrong way, you know?
Overhead, that's not accessible at this time of day. Your route is no longer available.
What do you mean my route is no longer available? What? Okay, this is actually mega chalked.
One eternity later.
So what happened? Like I'm so confused on what happened, because here's everybody right here.
Go past the railway crossing, then turn right into the car park.
I'm like so confused on what happened. Like, how did we get separated like this?
Arrived.
How the hell did we get separated like this? What up, bro? Damn, it's packed. Hella people here right now. Hella people. I don't even know where I'm gonna park my car, but figure it out. All right, found some parking. There's hella cars here. These guys probably been here for a minute too. Something's chopping it up over there. Ooh, here comes the wind. That C6 looks clean. GTO got a Pro Charger on it, or a Vortec. I hear it. Oh yeah, I see the intercooler too. right, I'm actually in Galveston right now, and unfortunately my GoPro kind of capped. I pressed the record button, but it didn't record anything. I think it did the thing where it beeps and then it starts to record. It literally just did what I was talking about, where it just starts to record and then all of a sudden it just beeps again and then just turns off. I think that's what happened. It is what it is. I'm probably gonna head back home just for the fact that I already know the area that everybody's going to is probably gonna be flooded out because we had some severe weather the day prior, so there's no reason to go all the way up here. And I'm also in need of gas, and I don't even think there's an E station anywhere near where I'm at, so I'm just gonna go home now. Oh man, it is what it is. It is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. There's a Mustang behind me. Hope this fella knows that I am not going all the way up to the seawall. That shit is cooked. I am taking my ass back home. I might be in the wrong lane right here, to be honest. I've not been on this road in a while. I might be in the wrong lane. If I am, oh well. All right, back at the casa. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Hopefully we can get some runs in with the S650 very soon, and we should get the transmission back within the next couple of days for the Shelby GT350. Remember, stay safe out there, y'all, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.